Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Occasionally, because of my YouTube channel, I get the opportunity to work with companies and become an affiliate for their product. Suma Detail approached me a couple of weeks ago and I was jumping at the opportunity to work with them. Make sure you check out my affiliate link in the description and also make sure that you take advantage of my discount code. All right guys, so we have already washed and dried the Bronco. I did that last night. Paint is cool to the touch. We should be able to now be prepped enough to apply our Suma Detail product here. This is a 10-minute DIY ceramic coating spray. It's gonna need some microfiber towels, obviously your Suma ceramic coating spray, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna wet the vehicle again, and we're going to use our microfiber. Basically, you're going to put about 2 sprays per panel. Wipe it in, wipe it thoroughly, and then 2 more coats on top of that, or 2 more sprays on top of that to give it 2 coats. Should be sufficient. And basically it's safe to put on your glass, your plastics, anything. So you don't have to worry about trying to keep it off of those things. All right guys, back at it. Let's get this thing done. Your ceramic spray can actually be applied to a dry panel, but they do recommend on your first coat to wet the panel. And again, it's just 2 sprays per panel, and you just wipe till it dries and then 2 more sprays, and it's that simple. Again, remember, a little bit goes a long ways. You don't want to create streaking or anything like that. And guys, this stuff came in like super fast and was well packaged. Obviously, as you could see by we did the unboxing. I'm not supposed to be out of my sling. I had shoulder surgery about 5 weeks and a few days ago. Got out and did about 5-6 miles this morning, so it needs to dry before I go to work. All right, anyway, take the little clip off the bottom, and we are ready to spray and wipe. And it was at about this point I was like, I can already tell a difference. I can see it with my own eyes. This stuff is very impressive. That is super, super easy to use. I mean, it just absorbs, I mean, pretty quickly. I see a few places out on the fender there that I probably want to go back over, but I mean, yeah, it takes to it really, really well. So let's get that finished. They've developed their product in-house. It is not a relabel from a different company. It works at the nano level, so it effectively repels dirt, grime, and mud. Holy cow. Man, it's wild. Can it shed the water? All right, guys, I am almost finished, and I am absolutely blown away with this product. So easy to use, and I mean, it works. It works. I can already tell it works. Man, I mean, it's just it's so easy to use, and it's basically just spray on, wipe dry, or get it as dry as you can. We got a lot of humidity here, so it's kind of almost impossible once you have something in the presence of water to get it completely dry. But man, I mean, the water just beads up and falls off. I mean, it just absolutely repels the water. So let me get this. Let me get the hood, get the grill area, and we're done. Sunlight breaking over the top of the garage, so we're gonna let this dry real good. Like I said, I've still got some detailing left to do. Tires, wheels, wheel wells, and get after that windshield area. Still got some stuck bugs and whatnot, but yeah, we're gonna get a full-on detail completed. And what I want to do is, when we have really good light this afternoon, we'll show this finished product. But I mean, I can already tell a difference, and it's eye-opening how good that stuff is. 10 minutes of your time and you can get this done. It's super easy to work with. Now, if you've got a really big vehicle, it might take you a little bit longer than that, or if you're meticulous or battling things like humidity like I am, it may take you a little bit longer. But for real, it is a amazing product.